What's up, bros? Going to Benelli showroom for booking the TNT300, Benelli TNT300 to be specific. I'll try my best, ask them for a test drive, but whether they'll let me or not is entirely in their hands. So hope that they let me. Ask garnu bhar naparnu. So yeah, my friend, the crazy RS200 rider, is planning on buying that. So yeah, going to book that bike today, and let's see whether I'll get to test ride it or not. I'm not giving any fake promises of, you know, test riding it or something like that, but if they'll let me, they'll let me. If they won't, then what can I do? It's their freaking bike, not mine. Really excited for him. Yeah. ओए क्या दामी स्क्रू हो नि त ओए लु खै यसको ब्रेक कहाँ माथि हो त अहिले बुक गरेर चाहिँ कति दिन लाग्छ? त्यो 2 weeks भित्र आइसक्यो। कलकत्ता आइसक्यो, कलकत्ता यसको स्पेक भन्दा त 300cc इनलाइन ट्विन इन्जिन हैन, 38 bhp, 27 mm टर्क, अगाडि पछाडि you get parallel tires and पछाडिको 160, अगाडिको 120 हैन, मिडल ST टायर्स, फ्रन्टमा double disc rotor, 4 calipers, double disc rotor on front so inverted 45 mm shock, adjustable. You can adjust the compression. यसको त्यो compression adjust गर्न त्यो पछाडी त्यो तपाईको lateral hydraulic lateral shift छ हैन, यसको चाहिँ compression र revolve दुईटा adjust गर्न मिल्छ. So कतिको stiffness चाहियो, कतिको fast revolve चाहियो हैन, you can actually adjust that. Here 6-speed constant mesh gear system, 16-liter tank. Comfort and sound on this category is phenomenal. कति माइलेज दिन्छ तपाईको त्यो 23 to 25 highway 130 something what you are after riding limit the after riding limit define what to do भइहाल्छ this sounds amazing, man. This feels awesome, man. Awesome bike. Just hear the sound, man. Really comfortable seats. The brakes are pretty good on this. In 2 years it can reach 95. मतलब फैन भएर यसको आरसी ठिक छ